And the various use of forest. The answer is the various use of forests are: forest gives us a mixture of things to satisfy our different needs. Example: fuel, leaves, and other, and also add moisture to atmosphere, and rainfall is also trapped in the forests. Second, distinguish between population growth and population change. First, the answer: the population growth, increase in the number of inhabitants of a region during a specific time period. Birth rate and migration are the major causes of population growth. Now, population changes. During a specific time period, it is the change in distribution, composition, or size of population. Birth rate, migration, emigration are the major cause of population. Third question. Mention any two reasons of deforestation in India during colonial period. The answer: under colonial rule, the process of deforestation became more systematic and extensive. As the population increased and demand of food grains went up, the peasants extended the boundaries of cultivation by clearing the forest and making a new land. The British directly encouraged the production of cash crops like jute, sugarcane, cotton, etc. This also increased the need of more area for cultivation. Fourth one. What is the relation between occupational structure and development? The answer: the higher percentage of population involved in the primary occupation like agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry, and fishing implies less developed country. We see more development in countries where people move into secondary occupations like manufacturing. A high percentage of population involved in a tertiary occupation like banking, commerce, transport, and administration implies a high developed country. Fifth one, what is meant by shifting cultivation? It is a practice in which parts of forest are cut and burnt in rotation. Seeds are sown in the ash after the first monsoon rain, and the crops is harvested by October to November. Sixth one. Seventh one. Why did European forests regard shifting cultivation harmful for the forest? The answer: they felt burning down forest would destroy timber and flames would spread and burn valuable timbers and also lead the forest fire. Eighth one. What is the Ninth one. What is the sex ratio, and give any two reasons responsible for unfavorable sex ratio in India? The answer: sex ratio, the number of female per thousand men is known as sex ratio. In 1901, the ratio between the male and female population was 1000 divided by 927 in 1991. However, in the last decade it has shown a little increase in the ratio: 933 per thousand, male 940 per thousand in 2011. Reason: lesser care of female children, great risk to women's lives especially at the time of childbirth. Women are also killed or forced to die by dowry seekers. Fourth, due to illiteracy, lack of medical facilities for women, etc. What is dependency ratio? Why is this higher in India? The ratio of people of dependent below 15 years and above 60 years to people of economically active ages is called as dependency ratio. The dependency ratio is higher in India because a large number of children and aged population are found dependent upon the working population. The economically unproductive population